This adorable foal is just 2 days old, and its mother is very protective. She doesn't let anyone get close. The foal's only pastime is nursing from its mother and filling its belly. It has no other worries. After filling up on its mother's milk, it falls asleep in pure bliss. Male babies sleep as peacefully and as safely. As for the mother, she keeps grazing non-stop to produce enough milk for her foal. The more grass she eats, the more milk she has. Foal, on the other hand, is used to people. It's friends with the herder's boy and always asks for sugar when he comes near. Horses become friends with humans from a very young age.